square 4. So now let's go forward for the bleeding control. How do we control the bleeding? This is important for you practically as well. So at first we will do the elevation, right? So look at here, we try to elevate the part above the heart if it is possible, because the gravity, pulling of the gravity will be less and then the bleeding will be less, right? So first technique we follow what? Elevation. If elevation does not work, then we will go for what? Direct pressure. Direct pressure means we use the sterile gauze, or if you don't have the sterile gauze, we use the clean cloths over the wound like this, you can see over here, and then keep pressing. This pressure should be applied for 5 to 10 minutes continuously without removing. Don't try to check within 5 to 10 minutes to see whether it's bleeding or not. Do not remove the pressure. Keep the continuous pressure for 5 to 10 minutes. And if it is the arterial bleeding, then you should apply the pressure for how much? 15 minutes. Is that okay? Still, if the bleeding does not stop by this, the direct pressure, then we have to go for what? The tourniquet application. How do we apply the tourniquet? You can see in this picture. From the wound, you go above 2 to 3 inch above. Okay, so the tourniquet should be applied 2 to 3 inch above the wound. And this tourniquet can be applied by using the belt or the clothes, or you can also use the PP cuff, right? You should apply this one. And how much pressure should you create in the tourniquet? This pressure should differ in the upper extremity and then the lower extremity. Upper extremity, you have to create the pressure of about 250 mm of Hg. If it is lower extremity, create the pressure about 300 mm of Hg, right? Or there should be the option in both the cases you can create the pressure 100 mm Hg more than the systolic blood pressure. Is that okay? And how long should you apply this tourniquet? This tourniquet should be applied, if it is the upper limb or upper extremity, then 1 hour. And if it is the lower limb, then you apply for 2 hours. And after 1 hour, you have to lose the tourniquet for 10 to 20 minutes. In the lower limb, after 2 hours, you have to lose the tourniquet for 10 to 20 minutes. Otherwise, what happens?